How to fix CapCut smooth slow motion not working. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are tackling an issue that a lot of CapCut users are facing, which is smooth slow motion not working as expected. So let's dive in and get it fixed. So you are trying to create that smooth buttery slow motion effect, but instead it's choppy or just doesn't work. Don't worry, you are not alone. There are a few reasons this happens, and today I'm going to show you some easy fixes. First, check the frame rate of your video. If your video was shot in low frame rate like 24 or 30 fps, slow motion won't be as smooth. The ideal frame rate for smooth slow motion is 60 fps or higher, so make sure your footage was shot at a higher frame rate. Next, try clearing CapCut's cache. Sometimes the app stores too much data, which can affect performance. Head over to your settings in the app and scroll down and tap on Clear Cache. This can help free up some space and make your edits run smoother. Another quick fix is to make sure your CapCut app is up to date. Outdated versions might have bugs or compatibility issues, so head over to your app store and check for updates. Finally, if your slow motion still isn't smooth, try using the optical flow or better interpolation features in CapCut speed settings. This feature helps generate extra frames, making the slow motion appear more fluid. And that's it. With these quick steps, you should be able to fix any issues with CapCut's smooth slow motion feature. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.